Hi, I'm Albert Rodriguez and I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. Actually, I have an existing business in Phoenix. It's a mobile paint and body repair service. I did some Google searching looking for companies that offer paintless dent repair services and looked through the reviews for the company, and everything seemed to point me directly to them as being the best place to go. The first day is a little bit overwhelming. I guess it could be more so for people that don't have any real experience with any of this or messing with sheet metal at all. I don't have any PDR repair experience per se before doing this, but I have worked with sheet metal and repairing dents the traditional way. So it kind of gave me just a little bit of insight, but there's still so much more to learn when doing the PDR part, because it requires a lot more patience basically doing this kind of work. Yeah, I feel comfortable enough working on smaller dents and creases, things of that nature, but this, like anything else, is going to take time to perfect and get better at. It's just a matter of being willing to put in the effort and the time to get better at it is all. Basically, it's going to be added to my existing business. I'm planning on adding this part as well as keeping the body and paint, and also looking at adding in the future some like ceramic coating type of services as well. Yeah, definitely recommend it. If you're looking to get some training somewhere, it's definitely worth it. The class size to the amount of instructors is definitely good. They will definitely help you out with anything you got questions on, and other than that, it's just a lot of spending time actually working on dents and stuff like that, because that's really the only way you're going to get any better. Thank you, Dean King. I appreciate the training.